All right, so today I'm going to show how to put in a beam system. So this can be many different things. It could be like a steel beam system for like a commercial building, or it could be a more of like a wood truss kind of, or not truss, wood joist kind of system for a residential home. I'm just going to do it under an architectural template. I'm going to go into architecture and I'm going to pick a wall. And I'm just going to pick, yeah, we can keep the 8-inch generic wall. I'm going to just draw a quick square. We'll just say it's a 48 by 28 building. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into structure, and there's this beam system. You can go into steel, or is it steel? Or maybe it's architecture, and put in beams too. But doing a beam system, oh, you can do beam here, but doing a beam system puts it in there for you, so it's kind of nice. So right now it's just a structural framing system. Down here you can pick the beam type. So we've got W-shape beams here. And when you do a residential template, it's going to automatically have those wood I-joists that you would normally build with. And they have two different options for that size-wise. So with this one, it's going to be a W-beam. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick where I want the beam. So obviously you would put your foundation in, and then you would put in your rim joists, and then put your joists in, and then you would put your sheathing on top and then your walls. So that's why it would go all the way around the edge of the walls. I'm going to hit the check mark. And as you can see, it's placed beams in. Now, if you do the pick line tool, whatever line you pick first is going to choose the direction of how the beams are going to run. And so as you can see, I drew the line going this direction from left to right, so the beams are going to go left to right. Now, normally you probably want your beams to go the shortest distance, so it'd be top to bottom, but that's okay. For this purpose, I'm just showing you how to kind of put it in there. So if I go to 3D, as we can see, I'm going to shift around here. We have our beam system in. So then you would put your sheathing on top, and then you build off of there with your walls, and then you can put your finished floor in there. But yeah, it's just kind of an easy way to put the beam system in and without having to place each individual beam. You can also pick the spacing too when you're putting in that system, so that way it's exactly what you need it. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions.